Hey guys, it's Liz. Welcome back to my channel. We're taking it slow with homeschooling. Just doing a couple of basic things and then doing some other just necessary house things like Costco run and a lot of laundry and just getting things back in order after we had some company. So for today's video, I have teamed up with a really cool brand, Earth Breeze. You've probably seen these laundry detergent strips. They look like this in your Instagram feed. I know I had seen them quite a few times, mistakenly thought they were dryer sheets. They're not, they're something else totally awesome. And I just want to show you how we've been using them, what they are, and why I think that Earth Breeze is just a really neat company and one that I'm happy to support. So in the past, I've used the big jugs of laundry detergent. We've also used pods from various brands. And now I can say we have tried and used the sheets. This is a relatively new idea, and Earth Breeze is really kind of revolutionizing the way that we think about laundry because they've taken out all of the liquid that costs money to ship, that takes up space on your shelf, that's heavy to carry from the store to the van to your cupboard, and they've made this tiny little sheet. So as you can see, one of these packages right here is 60 loads of laundry. And Earth Breeze currently makes a fragrance-free as well as a fresh scent. And I'm pretty sensitive to scent in general, but this smells so good. I feel like when it first comes out of the package, it has a stronger scent. It has a much stronger scent than when I take my clothes out of the dryer. When Earth Breeze reached out to me, I had seen their product online quite a lot, and it really intrigued me. And what got me excited to actually use this in my home is that we have been trying to use a lot less plastic, just especially one-time use plastics. And I heard a statistic that was kind of terrifying about the amount of laundry jugs that don't get recycled and go to a landfill. It's something like 700 million jugs a year just for the US alone end up in a landfill. So not very many get recycled, and sadly, I've definitely tossed a few jugs before in my past. And so I just love the idea that while we can't win in all areas of, simplistic living and eliminating toxins and plastics and things like that, I love that this is one area that we can definitely cut back all plastic. So when you order from Earth Breeze, there's recyclable or compostable packaging. It also didn't hurt that they had over 35,000 five-star reviews. I did notice that first thing. And I went and looked online at, some different reviews, just saying like, hey, is this a good detergent? Does it work? Is what I'm thinking. And there were a lot of raving reviews. So that was another reason that I was like, hey, I want to try this out. And yeah, just they have a really eco-friendly philosophy, which, like I said, I can get behind that. I really, really appreciate their kind of devotion to like offsetting carbon emissions of making their product. Like they planted over 50,000 trees to do that. They also have a really neat just vision as far as like helping their community. And when you purchase something from them, they donate 10 loads of laundry they donate it to like women's shelters, veterans organizations, homeless shelters, and they're just doing a lot of awesome stuff. I think so far they've donated over 11 million loads of laundry, and apparently that's like a really requested thing at shelters, and so that's one way that they're able to help out with your purchase, which is cool. They've sponsored like 9 ocean cleanups, so they're just doing really neat things with the position that they have, I guess, and with the money that we spend there. A company can be awesome, they can have great philosophies, but if their product doesn't work, no one's gonna want to use it. And so my question is, hey, did this work? How does this clean your clothes, and how easy is it to use? And so I can tell you that it's so easy to use, and all of my laundry has come out smelling great, looking clean. It's just so easy. So did I say it was so easy? I love pre-measured laundry detergent, so for me that was a big win. So you'll take a laundry sheet just like this, you'll drop it in the washing machine on top of your clothes. The water just instantly dissolves it. Maybe it takes 30 seconds, if that. Like it's just gone. And so you can see it's a kind of has like a stretchy, bendy texture to it. So it dissolves really quickly, but it's not sticky to the touch. If you were to have a really specific stain, you can take a little tiny piece of this sheet, you can actually rip it like that, get it wet, put it on the stain or on the spill that you have on your clothes, and kind of get a little brush and rub it in there. You know, you can take it under the sink, and that alone really helps to like loosen the stain right away. Just a little tiny bit of detergent, really concentrated, and then just wash like normal. But overall, like I said, these just clean your clothes really well, and it's so easy. Like, I feel like if you had a 10-year-old kid and you were teaching them how to do laundry, you could easily say, hey, you know, fill this load full, and then take one of these sheets out and put it into the drum and close the lid, and ta-da, it's done. So they do say on the back here, there are some specific instructions, like if you have a super duper full drum, like filled all the way to the top, extra full is what my laundry says, then you would use 2 sheets. And if you have like a medium load, which is maybe halfway full, then you would use a half sheet, and they're super easy to tear. So this is actually a really cool thing that you can't do with a pod. A pod is like a pre-measured amount of liquid detergent, so you can't just use half a pod. You know, you have one size pod for whatever laundry, and you might have to buy like miniature pods or small pods some brands make if you have a small load. Whereas this, you don't have to have any different product, you simply just tear it in half if you have a small load. So you're not wasting any, and you don't have to buy a separate product for little loads. It's very well thought out. If you're looking for a detergent that's very gentle on your skin, the Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Eco Sheets don't use any parabens, they don't have bleach in them, no phosphates, and they're not tested on animals. It's dermatologist approved and gentle on your skin, and if you have any worries about that, just go the fragrance-free route. They have very few ingredients listed on their website. I believe 8 total for the fragrance-free, and 9 if you purchase the fragrance. Compared to like other major brands, that's a very minimal list and very gentle on your skin. So Earth Breeze snuck in something extra that I wasn't intending to make a video about, but I have to mention because oh my goodness, I love them. It's the Power Pebbles for the dishwasher. And so we have used so many different brands of dishwashing tablets. All right, so here's what the Power Pebbles look like. They come in a box of 30 that you can recycle. They don't take up very much space at all. And my first thought when I opened them to try them was, why are they so small? They're about half the size of the other brands I've tried. Like we've tried Ecover, which is like an eco-friendly dishwasher detergent that wraps every single one in plastic that you throw away, which was just like, come on, really? And so I love like that these ones are not wrapped in plastic. This little film on here keeps any detergent off your hands, but it dissolves in the dishwasher. And anyways, I was wondering if I would need to use 2. You totally don't. Our dishes came out and they were sparkling clean, very clean. I will put a picture up because I want you to see like a before and after. And even my husband, like he was grabbing a coffee mug out of the top of the dish rack because I hadn't put dishes away, of course, like typical. And his comment that came out of his mouth was like, whoa, those are really sparkly. And they just did. They just kind of like glistened, and the glass, I think I noticed it mostly on the glass, that it just looked like shinier. I don't know how to describe it. Shinier than the other ones that we had tried before. Because we had tried Branch Basics, Drops, Ecover Pods, and now the Earth Breeze Power Pebbles. And I would have to say, honestly, these are my favorite. But yeah, I will put a link in the description to where you can buy these. And if you do subscribe and save, it is 40% off, which is the best deal. Like these are so affordable. Per load, that brings it down to 22 cents a load when you do the subscribe and save option. So you can cancel anytime. It's very easy to do that. But that's how you get the best deal. So this is a Oregon-based company, so their product in the US ships from Oregon, and they have a UK branch as well. They do free worldwide shipping. So yeah, I just am really impressed with the idea of liquidless laundry sheets. I think it's a cool way to reduce plastic, and it's something that we use every single day. It makes it very easy. I don't have to think twice about, you know, how much to pour in, or if I want to do a smaller load, I don't have to have a special, you know, smaller pot or anything like that. So do give them a try. This is really cool. I think you're gonna love it. I like it a lot. This may be also just a little fun idea. This may be a great little thing to stick in a stocking stuffer if you've got like in-laws or family members that have never tried this. Likely they've never tried this before. You could stick a pack of those or a pack of the Power Pebbles in, and that'd be just a fun little new thing to try. So hopefully my family's not watching this because they might know their Christmas present early. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me any questions in the comments, and hopefully you'll give Earth Breeze a try if you've never tried their products before. I know you'll like them.